And joining us now on the phone is Carl Schilling. Carl is the founder of an organization called the Advocacy Network. Carl, great to have you back on the program.
Yes, it's always great, Don. I love to be with you and your audience.
Well, what are you guys up to these days? We haven't spoken in a while.
Well, you know, a lot of unique things. You know, we're always adding and building, and we try to keep that concept, Don, where we are basically your best interest is our only concern. You know, so we try to help people with total independent, non-biased looks at things. And in that mindset, we've talked to a group called Total Insurance Review, who basically doesn't sell any insurance, but what they do is they have professionals like myself and others who just basically give people independent analysis. Sometimes it could be claims, it could be contracts, it could be, you know, just understanding their policies, you know, whatever it is. So it's a neat service, and we feel like that's a nice strategic alliance in our, you know, in our quiver.
Well, sometimes your insurance coverage is wrong and you're spending more money than you need to be, right?
Absolutely, especially in the senior market. You know, the senior market is one of the great abuses because of the Medicare supplements and the Medicare Advantages, and many agents don't want to get certified to sell Medicare Advantage, so they only have one, you know, product, which is the supplement, and that's leaving out half of the story for somebody. So it's really unfortunate.
Now, of course, the core values of the Advocacy Network are to help people prevent financial victimization, correct?
Absolutely, in all different areas, you know, and we're just finding now, you know, a great deal of it is in the financial services arena, Don, you know, pretty much investing, insurance, risk management, all those kinds of areas. There's a great deal of loss, there's a great deal of abuse, there's a great deal of fraud. So I think those are really pressing issues.
Well, I imagine a lot of people are going to become confused after the first of the year when the Obamacare mandate disappears. What are you anticipating as far as that goes?
Well, that's going to be another wide open door for abuse, as it is, because you got half of the plan is still there, half the plan's not there. Now, we found many people who thought they had to always pay, you know, this Obamacare fine, and they didn't realize the law. They didn't realize, you know, the income levels and everything. About 60%, 65% of all the people who paid that fine didn't need to pay that fine.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So how can you advise people the right way?
Lastly, the tax preparers didn't know that, which was pretty sad.
How can you advise people the right way?
Well, you know, for us, if they would contact us here at the Advocacy Network, we're always looking to get them the right information at the right time through the right sources. And once again, we're trying to help one thing only, Don, is help people become financially independent.
Once again, the Advocacy Network, the founder, Carl Schilling, they're doing wonderful things. Visit their web address right there on your screen. Carl, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks again, Don. Appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.
Take care.